Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we'll discuss our third question, first exercise, similar triangles. So what is that question here is, in the given figure, they're telling that DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. What is meant by parallel? Parallel lines are nothing but the lines which are located equidistant from each other. That is parallel lines. So if you measure in between the distance between of two lines, it will be equal at any time. So that is called parallel lines. So here DE is parallel to, what you can say, DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC, and what is next one? DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. So what we have to prove here? To prove that BF by FE will be equal to BE by EC. BE by EC. So we have to prove that one. How to approach this question? So you have to think basic proportionality theorem, that is Thales theorem. So we can call it basic proportionality theorem, is also called as Thales theorem. So what is meant by Thales theorem? What it will going to explain? So it explains that if you draw any one line joined from midpoints of any two sides which is parallel to the third side, it's not only a midpoints, but it must be parallel to the third side of triangle, then that line divides two sides into equal ratios. So that will explains here. So basic proportionality theorem, let's going to write it from Thales theorem. So the given conditions, so what are the given conditions? You have to write it. So DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE, and these are the given conditions. So what we have to prove? So RTP required to prove is BF by FE will be equal to BE by EC. BE by EC. So this is the required to prove. Then what is the proof here? So let's going to write it. Proof. How to write it? Proof here. Proof will be by using of basic proportionality theorem. So by using of basic proportionality theorem, basic proportionality theorem, that is Thales theorem. That is Thales theorem. So what it will explains? So it is explains that, let's going to take here BF by FE, right? So for that BF and FE is there. What triangle you have to consider? You can consider that AEB. AEB. You can consider for these two sides AEB. You can consider from. So what you can write? From triangle AEB. From triangle AEB, we are using that Thales theorem, right? So here parallel. So this side and this side. So AE is a side which is parallel to this one. That means AB and BE. AB and BE will going to divide. So for this, so this is the line which is parallel to the third side AE. So for that, this line divides it into equal ratios. So what is it means that BD by DA will be equal to BF by FE. BF by FE. So this is the, by using of Thales theorem, you can write ratios like this. BD by DA will be equal to BF by FE in triangle AEB. So this is the case. Let's going to take it. This is equation 1. Next one, you can consider another triangle by using of these two sides. That is by using of sides. What is that? Third side which is equal to the AC. Let's consider from triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, this line DE is parallel to, what you can write? DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. But here DF is parallel to AE. Sorry for that. You can write it like that. DF is parallel to AC. So this is the side. Now we can divide the things, will be two sides will be in a equal ratios at this point. So E and D. So at these points you have to divide. So what is that? BD by DA BD by DA will be equal. You can write BD by DA will be equal to BE by EC. Let's take this is equation 2. Let's take it equation 2. From 1 and 2, what you can write from 1 and 2 equations, what you can write it here is BD by DA will be equal to BF by FE, that will be equal to BE by EC, BE by EC. So hence proved. What you can take, therefore what you can write it, BF by FE, BF by FE is equals to BE by EC. That is a hence proved. Hence proved. So that is a way. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.